Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily add and post multiple photos to Twitter at once. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and write, friends, your comments. And let's get started, friends, and now I'm going to show you everything step by step. So friends, first of all, please open the Twitter app, or X, as it's called now on your device. And then you'll need to click on this plus sign. Or you can go to your Twitter newsfeed, or you can go to your page and see what you'd like to post here, let's say, for guidance, and you can also click on this plus. Next, you can enter some text if you need to. If not, if you want to go straight to the photos, then you need to select this second sign. So as you can see, you go to Photos. And here, to select the photo, click on it. And as you can see, you can select more than one photo at a time, let's say. So here I've selected 3 pictures. Then at the top right, click on Add. And as you can see, several photos will be added to the post at once. But you can also post photos a little bit differently. Let's say you'd like to emphasize each of the photos separately. You can select just one photo, and then at the bottom, on the right-hand side, click on the blue plus sign. Next, you'll move on, as if to create another post. To do that, you can also click right here on the gallery sign, select the next photo, click Add at the top, and you can click that plus sign a few times to add different photos. Once you've finished adding photos individually, just click Add Posts on the top right. And now you will need to wait a few seconds for all the posts to load. As you can see, I now have all my photos and posts have been uploaded. As you can see, this is how it happened. Now each photo is a separate post. And in this way you can save time, so you don't have to click on the plus sign every time and not go to the option to add posts. You can just publish several posts at once. You can tag people and write some text and add several photos and videos at once and then just click, as I did, add several posts and several completely different posts will be added to your Twitter. Friends, this is how you can easily post several photos in the Twitter app. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. See you soon.